We don't need them. We don't need them. Oh, oh. We could be free by ourselves.
Back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly affordable synthetic wig reviews, tips, tricks and tips, car vlogs, a little bit of makeup here and there. So if you want to subscribe, please do so. You could do that right now. And if you've already subscribed, thanks so much. In this wig, I don't even know what I was doing with the scarf. In this wig review, I'm doing a Vanessa hair. And I have one other, I think, Vanessa hair review up, and that is that Jolita, I believe. And this is Miss Satin. And Miss Satin is in the color 30, so just straight 30. And it says that it is a 6-inch deep part. It's heat safe up to 360 degrees. It comes in a fair amount of colors, and it says that this is a party lace, parts to make your life a party. Okay. Deep eye part fashion wig, human hair blend, and I scooped up from Wigtypes for $25.99. So let's get her. This is Miss Satin. So this is the color. She's a full 30. I really like it. She's sort of a longer esque bob. I think it's called a lob. I don't know. This is her parting space. Pretty good. This is actually a lace parting wig. I prefer those sometimes. I know some people don't like them. 2 combs in the front. You can see that lace parting. Some baby hairs, which is super nice. Comb in the back. Adjustable straps. I don't remember if Vanessa hair is like big or capped or not. So let's just check it out. Really. I'm actually not wearing a cap today because I've been kind of struggling with migraines as of late, and I just feel like sometimes that contributes to, I don't know that it necessarily causes a migraine, but it for sure contributes to prolonging them. My migraine is gone, but this one that I just had was like for, I want to say, 2 days. Wigtypes definitely roomy. This one was stored somewhere weird. Sometimes it does that. So the luster is beautiful. It does not need dry shampoo. I'm going to be using it though, just to mask the smell. So just know that it's not necessary. I love the length. It is a very light yaki texture. I wouldn't say it's overly yaki. So I feel like this could work for a lot of different people with different hair types. She's definitely a middle part, and yeah, let me get her together, see what she's got to offer, and then I'll be back with ya.
Come on, we can't go away. We don't need them. We don't need them. Oh, oh. We could be free by ourselves.
take much at all. I really like this wig. It is definitely a larger wig cap, without my cap underneath. I think even with my cap underneath, to be honest with you. I needed my whip grip. I needed my wig grip. It is a larger cap for sure. This is a beautiful 30 color, and it is a full 30 color. So if you are looking for more of a natural color and you have more of a naturally, you know, brown, chestnut brown type of hair, this would be good. One thing I have found, and I feel like the wig grips help this out, is I have found at times when a wig has a larger cap and it's too large, if you tighten the straps too much, it actually gives like, it pulls the cap so it's like bunchy. So it was bunching, and when I put the wig grip on, I don't feel the bunchiness. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, this is probably like 16 inches. It's a pretty length. Yeah, very nice length. Density is pretty natural. It's not too thin, but it's not overly thick. I do feel like the texture is different, so I'm always skeptical of these like human hair blends, because sometimes when they say human style mix, that isn't mean, it's still synthetic. And even when it's a human hair blend, there's no regulation on the amount of human hair that can be in it. And even so, it's still synthetic. It still could potentially tangle. It could still do anything that a synthetic wig did. The only thing I did put a little powder in the part, because this is a lace parting. For me, I find that if you pull this tight and lay it down over this little rim, then you can't see that cap. And so that's why I was doing that. A little bit of flyaways, not too much. Like I said in the beginning, I only put dry shampoo in this simply for the smell, which is gone now. So I don't think it's like necessary. Yeah, I really like this. What do you think? I think this would be a great work wig, little like, hey, today I'm going to a purse bingo with my mom, which I've never gone to, but you know, she wanted to go, so I'm going with her. So I feel like this is appropriate hair for that. Now that I have her care. Yeah, so that's my review. I am liking her so far. I feel like this is a wig that I could wear, you know, often. So I'm happy about this. You have this wig? If so, what color do you have? Do you like it? Do you have another Vanessa hair wig that you would like me to review? I think I have 2 more or so that I have available to review. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.